This house right here, I grew up in this house. This used to be my grandmother's house. My grandmother had like 13 kids and probably 90-something grandkids. A lot of times you'll find most of us here. My cousin, he was 16. He got killed in this house right here. You know, it was like a little weed house. And guys came in, shot him, killed him with a sawed-off. You know, he died right there in that duplex. It's boarded up now. I got another cousin that used to live in this blue house right here. He got shot in the head right here in the middle of the street. You know, he was a little bit older, and you know, it probably was his own doing, like the circumstances that he ended up in that day. But when I think about all this and I absorb it and I take it all in, man, I thank God. That's why I'm so careful and I'm very selective about how I tell my story. We all one big great mind. This big old universe is one big great mind. It all comes back. I just take all this in, you know, and look at, this is where I came from. I came from right here, but I had many days in 5-star hotels, $500,000, $1 million condos, exotic cars, 7,000 square foot cribs, rental properties is worth $400,000 in upscale neighborhood. But I came from this, and you know, I took resources and conversations that I had with people and information that otherwise I wouldn't get. I wouldn't have gotten if I just depended on what they taught me in school. I wouldn't have gotten that information. I finessed it. I finessed it to where I'm at today, you know. And that's the only thing I be preaching. Take your imagination, take your hopes, take all the dreams that you have, and man, you gotta be able to spit that shit out mentally in a way where you turn it into reality. For me, when I talk about stealing information or taking resources, I ain't talking about doing it by gunpoint. I'm talking about doing it with your mind. And it's a way to do it. You can steal a lot of game through conversation. And sometimes you gotta do that because people are, even when you see successful people that have so-called made it, they still have a crab in the bucket mentality. They so afraid that if they share the information with you, or if they give you information, that you're gonna move past them or it's taking something away from them. I don't roll like that, and I don't perceive life like that. You gotta go get it. I know you always hear about rich people don't sleep. Man, it's poor people that can't afford to sleep. Rich people can sleep for a month if they want to.